Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy, and we are using the February 2021 Paper Pumpkin kit called Bouquet of Hope, and we're going to make an outside the box card. With the kit comes this little flyer that advertising the Flower and Field Designer Series paper. This is a celebration item that's available till the end of February, so you still do have time to earn it if you spend $50 in the States or $60 in Canada. So what I've done is I have made this card using the Flower and Field Designer Series paper and some of the die cuts from the kit. Then I've used the saying from the kit, sharing in your sorrow, thinking of you, and wishing I could be there to hold your hand. Here I did it with the Mossy Meadow, a Stampin' Spot that came from the kit. When I do my sample, I'm going to do it in the Just Jade, just to see how different it is. And I used a couple of the sequins. So let's go ahead and make the card. Super quick, super easy to make. We're taking a Rococo Rose card base from the kit. We're taking a 5 1/4 by 4 piece of the Flower and Field DSP. We're using these die cuts from the kit. And we are going to put that together with the saying, and we're going to use the Everyday Label punch to punch out the saying. So I also need a little scrap of the white cardstock to stamp the greeting. So I'll stamp the greeting first and punch it out, and then we will build the card. I actually really like this set. It is very nice. Again, nice, gentle ways to reach out to your friends and family and others just to say, hey, you know what? I'm with you. I feel for you. We're all in this together. So let's just take this and punch it out. Just line that up so it's centered. And give it a pop. And there we go. All right, so let's put this card together. We're going to use our adhesive, and we're just going to we'll center this on the card base, and then we'll stick it down. And then I used adhesive directly on this, but everything else I dimensionalized. So I just popped this down, lined it up like that. I put dimensionals on the back of the greeting just to lift it up a little bit. And I also put flowers or dimensionals on the flowers. So when you put dimensionals on the flowers, if you just keep an eye on where you have already got dimensionals, then you don't need to put more dimensionals on there. So I'm putting this one up, this way up, just like that. So I'm going to put a couple dimensionals, one here and one here, just so that it doesn't end up doubling up on the card. And there we go. And I will pop that down like that. And then I'll put dimensionals on. This one is going on this way, and it's going to hold right in there. So I can put a dimensional there and there on this one. And it would hold just fine with just one dimensional. But it's always nice to put a couple on. And then just rotate this down however you'd like it to be. Maybe just like that. And then you can use your sequins on, and these are the adhesive sequins that came in the kit. So you can just pop those down. Looks like I used small ones for the example. I've used large ones for this one. So that is the card made with the Just Jade ink, and this is the one made with the Mossy Meadow ink. So your choice. but this is a wonderful way to use your Celebration Flower and Field paper with the elements in the kit. They just go perfectly. So thank you very much for watching, and if there is anything you would like to purchase, the links are below, and please remember to subscribe. So we will see you next time with another outside the box paper pumpkin card.